Githagathago kiria kigomeire cukuru wa University wa Meru nikioire mwerekera mweru thutha wa Minister wa Githomo Amina Mohamed kurugamia wira Vice Chancellor wa thukuru ucio Japheth Mugabo ihinda ria kiria gutungata university ino rikinya muthia mweri wa gatandatu.
Today's council meeting, the chair and the members of the council made several decisions. The first decision that was made was to allow Professor Magambo to proceed on leave pending the expiry of his contract in June of 2018. It's something that he himself had also wished for.
The changes that is there now with the new management, with the new Vice Chancellor, acting Vice Chancellor, even as a council, we have a full support of our Chancellor.
Oho mina uri gucerete cukuru-ini ucio ni athanire cukuru ucio hingurwo kwa ihinda ria kiumia kimwe thutha waguo kuhingwo kuma na githagathago kiria kiarumirire thutha wa munene wa arutwo kuragwo.
Appointed in an acting capacity the Deputy Vice Chair, Professor Charity Gishuki, pending the recruitment of a substantive Vice Chancellor. We note with appreciation that the Council is working with the acting VC to ensure that studies are resumed and the students return to the university as soon as possible in order to stabilize the situation.
Amina ure ukumagaritio ni mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ino Professor Misheni Ntiba ni uririe borithi mateng'eri uthuthuria niguo kumenyekana kiria giacungirire gikuo kia Evans Njoroge.
The investigations are ongoing and we already have the autopsy report, as you've all seen in the media. We're hoping that the rest of the investigations will be completed as quickly as possible to just also give some peace to the family.
Mweneni wake mwikirigiti wa Kajo University Duracha Galgaro neri arutwo acio ati mathina mao ni mekwaririo.
I really want to appeal to them to come back to university, and we'll do all that we can as a council to make their stay comfortable, to have an excellent learning experience in this university, and I want to really appeal to them. And we will continue working with the ministry. I know we have had very good support, and as a chair of the council, I really want to put that appeal very strongly.
Gargaro ni ugire ni hariithie kurehe uiguano gatagati ka arutwo aya niguo gutigirira mathomo matina tharara. Njoroge ahurirwo rithathi tariki 27 mweri wa keri hindi ria moragira borithi. Girifotera Kameme TV ni jitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.
Uko sawa sana? Kabisa.